Many organizations strive to establish a benchmark asset management program. This brief presentation today will discuss some of the strategies to help an organization establish their asset management program. Effectively manage and sustain a comprehensive asset management program through the computer maintenance management system. Most organizations utilize one piece of software to basically as the hub to help them manage the entire maintenance management system program as well as their asset management. Typical benchmark asset management programs will include having modules that cover customers, service requests, asset inventory, condition assessment, work orders, preventive maintenance, lifecycle planning of their assets, funding forecasts of their assets, risk analysis, and capital improvement prioritization. Customer information and service request information are key factors in delivering targeted service levels. Many organizations have established targeted service levels for their particular customers. Keeping track of customers allows you to keep track of the details of a particular customer as well as the service requests related to those customers. This will allow the organization to measure the service level performance based on the customers and the services provided to them. Specific job functional dashboards allow users to effectively manage the maintenance program. Now understand there are many roles in an organization that may include maintenance, supervisor, manager, asset management, parts manager, customer service, and administrator. Each of these roles are very different and requires different dashboards to help them manage their specific organization. So NextGen has established a dashboard that's specific to each of the job functional roles, and each job functional roles have specific key performance indicators that can track the performance of the job. A complete asset inventory is the foundation of developing a comprehensive asset management program. We obviously want to be able to track all our assets that we have, be able to understand the valuation of the assets for depreciation, be able to track the maintenance histories of the individual assets, and also be able to create work orders and condition assessment relative to the assets. Some organizations have a geographic information management system, and that's a GIS. Having a GIS, you definitely need an integrated web GIS to be able to provide the full mapping capabilities. NextGen's GIS is fully integrated with Esri and has full GIS functionality to allow users to utilize a map built to manage their assets from there. Computer maintenance management system to effectively manage benchmark O&M programs. Effective O&M programs will include work orders, preventive maintenance, scheduling tools help you manage your work orders and preventive maintenance. Resources include labor, parts, and equipment, and also a very robust parts inventory management. Asset management planning incorporates life cycle plans, risk for funding forecasts, and capital improvement prioritization. With any benchmark asset management program, it requires asset management planning, which includes life cycle plan, funding forecasts, risk analysis, and capital improvement prioritization. NextGen has established an iPad application for mobile deployment. Our iPad application is free to download on iTunes. It's very easy to upgrade directly from iTunes, and it's a very user-friendly iPad application. The iPad application extends full functionality to the field users on specific modules. Those specific modules include the asset inventory, the GIS, work order, service requests, and parts inventory. The NextGen iPad application for mobile deployment is in real time, so users utilize the Wi-Fi or the cell coverage on the iPad to really gather and receive service requests, work orders in real time, and will respond to them in real time. Users will be able to close them out directly from the iPad for work orders and service requests, and also be able to retrieve information on the asset inventory and parts inventory as well. What are the benefits of NextGen? Here are four fundamental differences between us and other competitors. One, we include implementation services in our product. We're not only a software developer, we actually implement our product as well. We'll configure and migrate the data you have from the asset inventory and configure the system to fit your user requirements. Two, we include report writing in our maintenance support services. There are no other companies out there that will do this. We will write any report that you provide at no additional cost as part of our routine support and maintenance services. Asset management functionalities. We're the only software company out there that has these advanced asset management functionalities, and these include the life cycle planning, the funding forecast, the risk analysis, and the capital prioritization. Our support. NextGen prides itself at having the industry's highest level of customer support. We provide our extensive customer support to all our clients through telephone, email, and also the web. Annual audit. Every year we'll meet with the client to review the business process and assist and potentially recommend improvements and the configuration optimizes business practices. Some organizations may evolve over time, and the configuration may need to be modified. As part of our service, we will go through and do the annual audit. This concludes the Strategies Solutions to help an organization establish and benchmark asset management program. Thank you.